Hey world! I'm here with my friend Dan, and he is going to show me how to jump start a battery. So this is for International Repair Day. Dan is also a repair person. That's why we get along so well. So I'm very grateful that he's taken his time out of his day to show me how to do this stuff, and I appreciate you very much. So thank you. So here we go. He is going to show me how to jump start a dead battery in a car. So I've got my car pulled up over here, and we've got his car pulled up right here, and we've got jumper cables, and he's gonna walk me through how to do this. So here we go. Where's the battery, Dan?
The battery is right here.
So if I don't know anything about a car, how do I know that that's the battery?
Positive and negative side to it. You can see this one over here, positive, negative.
No. Okay, so let's talk about these cables.
Okay. So that's what's going to transfer the electricity from this car to your car.
Okay. So now what?
So what I usually do is you clip this on here.
Okay. Clipped.
You know what I did that for?
Why?
Because if you put these on this battery and those fall down, and then you're arcing it together. The electricity is,
Is that how you get electrocuted?
No.
Okay.
No. You're not going to get electrocuted with this.
All right. So what's next?
So,
which car first?
we'll hook this one up first.
Okay, so this is the car that works.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the black is going to go on the negative.
Okay. So first,
We'll connect on it.
right there.
Anywhere it will stay clamped on. If it's kind of loose, then you want to reclamp it somewhere else.
So,
And then you're going to connect that to the positive.
okay. So uncap this bad boy. Right here.
Wherever it'll connect, good.
All right. Let's do this. Okay. So we have this clamped on for what again?
So they don't touch each other.
So they don't touch it.
So this one, what we're going to do, we're going to hook up the positive.
Okay.
Making sure not to, there you go.
Thanks,
Good job.
Dan. I learned something. Okay.
So hook up the positive.
All right.
So what you want to do is connect it to a grounding point somewhere in the car.
Okay. So something metal, right?
Ideally, you want to find a place where it's going to connect to ground.
For grounding your negative black cable, find a clean, unpainted metal surface. Possible grounding points are a bolt on the engine, the alternator bracket, or the car's chassis.
What we're going to do is go ahead and find a place that's on the engine that is not in the way of a moving belt or anything like that.
Got it.
So yes, your spot over there would be a good place because it actually looks like it's part of the casting of the engine. Will it stay there? Okay.
What do you think?
I would probably take it and move this on the other side of here.
Okay.
Just because you have a belt right here.
Oh, good to know.
So
there's a belt.
Now you're connected.
Yay! Thanks, that was such a great instruction. So what would be, this battery is not dead, but just to show. This is
now that we're all hooked
up. So what would be the next step?
The next step will be to start the engine of the vehicle with the good battery. Let the engine run for several minutes on the vehicle with the good battery in order to charge the dead battery of the other vehicle. After several minutes, try starting up the vehicle with the dead battery. If the engine starts, keep it running. At this point, if the vehicle starts, take it straight to get a new battery. If the engine still won't start, call for roadside assistance or AAA if possible.
All right, so when I'm taking these off, is there a method?
Backwards.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I start over here.
Yep.
Okay. We will remove the cables in reverse order that we connected them.
First, we will remove the black negative cable, followed by the red positive cable.
The positive. Go ahead and take that off. Because this is live on this end, and if it hits like on the body somewhere that is grounded, then it'll shock.
Oh, okay. No! Okay. That's all it does?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to take the positive off. Sorry, I didn't mean to scream.
Positive.
positive.
Next, we will
Off.
remove the red
This is
positive
fine.
cable.
Okay.
And finally, we will remove the
At this
negative
point.
black
There's
cable.
nothing on this side.
And so if I remove this and this accidentally touches somewhere, that's okay.
Yeah, because there's nothing on this side.
Nothing on this side. Okay. Ah, I just jumped a car. Okay, so now I've got all these wires,
Yep.
and that's the end.
Yep.
Thanks, Dan.
We're jumped.
Yep, we're jumped. And that's it. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a comment below or a thumbs up. If you did not like it, then thumbs down. But if you do a thumbs down, please leave some comment. And he's saying no. Thanks, Dan. You're such a good friend. Please just leave a comment below letting me know why so I can learn. So thanks so much. Thanks so much, Dan. You're such a good friend.
Yeah, absolutely.
And stay tuned for the next video. Happy International Repair Day. Subscribe. Right, Dan? Hit that subscribe button. Smash it.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
No one's ever said that to me before. Hit the bell.
I hit the bell.
Oh. Bye, guys.
How was that? Okay, perfect.
I like that.
Okay.
God, that's so loud. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about these cables.
Okay. These are. No. You don't want to do that.
Okay.
These are very.
Sharpie.
They're strong.
Shark. They look like shark mouths.
Yeah, kind of more like alligator, I guess.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. You want some? I have it right here. Is it filming?
Yeah.
Are you-
Well. Oh.